Want your fill-out forms to ask smarter questions and create a better experience for respondents? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add logic to fill-out forms step by step. You'll learn how to display questions based on previous answers, guide users through different paths, and make your forms much more dynamic. First, sign in to your Fillout account and open the form where you want to add logic. Once you're inside the form editor, make sure all of your basic questions are already created before setting up conditional rules. Next, select the question that will trigger the logic. Look for the logic or conditional logic option in the question settings. Depending on your account and editor version, the location may look slightly different, but the feature is typically available within the editing panel. Now create your first rule. Choose the condition that should trigger an action. For example, if someone answers yes, you can display additional follow-up questions. If they answer no, you can skip those questions and move them to another section. You can continue adding multiple logic rules for different answers. This allows your form to adapt automatically based on each respondent's choices. Using conditional logic helps reduce unnecessary questions and creates a much smoother experience. After setting up your rules, open the preview mode and test your form several times. Try different answer combinations to confirm that the correct questions appear and that each path works exactly as expected. Once you're satisfied with the results, save your changes and publish your updated form. Your respondents will now experience a more personalized form that only displays questions relevant to their answers. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully added logic to your Fillout form. Smart.